Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Frisca Anita Putri Leksono. I am from Universitas Negeri Semarang. Today, I would like to tell you about phonetic sounds of some words. Let's start it. Okay friends, the first word is vegetable and the phonetic sound is vegetable. Vegetable. The stress is located on the first syllable and the meaning of this word is sayuran. And the second word is nutrition. The phonetic sound is nutrition. Nutrition. The stress is located on the second syllable and the meaning of this word is nutrisi. The third word is nutrient. The phonetic sound is nutrient. 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 And the stress is located on the first syllable. The meaning of this word is gizi. The fourth word is constantly. The phonetic sound is constantly. Constantly. The stress is located on the first syllable and the meaning of this word is selalu. The fifth word is vitamin. The phonetic sound is vitamin. Vitamin. The stress is located on the first syllable and the meaning of this word is vitamin. The sixth word is grain. The phonetics of this word is grain. Grain. The meaning is bulir atau gandum atau semacam biji-bijian. The seventh word is dairy. The phonetics of this word is dairy. Dairy. The stress is located on the first syllable and the meaning of this word is produk susu. The eighth word is cheese. The phonetic sound is cheese. Cheese. The meaning of this word is keju. The ninth word is banana. The phonetic sound is banana. Banana. The stress is located on the second syllable and the meaning of this word is pisang. The tenth word is fruit. The phonetic word is fruit. Fruit. And the meaning of this word is buah. The 11th word is broccoli. The phonetic sound is broccoli. Broccoli. And the stress is located on the first syllable. And the meaning of this word is broccoli. The 12th word is protein. The phonetics of this word is protein. Protein. And the stress is located on the first syllable. And the meaning of this word is protein. The 13th word is slightly. The phonetics of this word is slightly. Slightly. The stress of this word is located on the first syllable and the meaning of this word is agak atau sedikit. The 14th word is instead. The phonetics of this word is instead. Instead. The stress of this word is located on the second syllable and the meaning of this word is sebagai gantinya. 15th word is whole. The phonetics of this word is whole. Whole. The meaning of this word is seluruh. The 16th word is bread. The phonetics of this word is bread. Bread. The meaning of this word is roti. The 17th word is calorie. The phonetics of this word is calorie. Calorie. The stress is located on the first syllable, and the meaning of this word is calorie. The 18th word is replenish. The phonetics of this word is replenish. Replenish. The stress is located on the second syllable, and the meaning of this word is mengisi kembali. The 19th word is nutritional. The phonetics of this word is nutritional. Nutritional. The stress is located on the second syllable, and the meaning of this word is nutrisi. The 20th word is iron, and the phonetics of this word is iron. Iron. And the meaning of this word is besi. The 21st word is poultry, and the phonetics word is poultry. Poultry. The stress is located on the first syllable, and the meaning of this word is unggas. The last word is mineral. The phonetics of this word is mineral. Mineral. The stress is located on the first syllable, and the meaning of this word is mineral.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today, me and my friends would like to show you the dialogue about expressing of opinion. Previously, let me to introduce myself to you. My name is Linda Fitriani, and my friends
Hasma Alia Rizkina, and also my friend.
My name Frisca Anita Putri Leksono, and we are from Universitas Negeri Semarang.
majoring nutrition science.
We hope you like and enjoy with the video. School really makes me hungry. Let's get something delicious to eat.
Good idea. It's lunchtime anyways. Do you have any recommendation or idea of delicious food for our lunch today?
Hey, what about it, Frisca?
Wait a minute. There's a fast food stall, isn't it?
Yeah, come on. My stomach can't wait any longer.
Why fast food? In my opinion, we can find the others healthier foods for our lunch today.
No, I don't think there are no healthy food choices around. I heard that it sells delicious cheese, burger, and french fries too. Let's go. I can stand hearing my stomach growling.
Come on, Frisca. Hamburgers sounds delicious.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my god, Linda, you ordered 2 large cheese hamburger, french fries, and coke. Are you going to eat all this junk food?
Of course, I'm so hungry. I need more foods.
Do you ever think what kind of the danger that will come to you by eating all this food?
Overly full?
No, Linda, all this food will bring you the bad effect for a precious hope.
Huh? Wouldn't it bad if I can what?
In my experience after joining the Healthy Life Club that attempts to motivate their member to have healthy lifestyle. We were taught to stay away from junk food since we know junk food will give the bad effect for our health.
Why is that?
You know that all this food contains high of calories, fats, and also sugar, but they are really low in nutritional value. Due to the height of calories, the more you eating all these foods, the bigger your body will be. This condition, popular known as obesity. This food also high in salt, so if you really loves eating this food so much, they will lead you to a risk of high blood pressure.
Wow, can it get worse then?
Of course, personally think what Frisca said is true. Moreover, if you consume less junk food day in, day out, then his saturated fat will accumulate in your body, especially in your blood vessel. Day after day, the fats will build up in your blood vessel and eventually block your bloodstream and make it clot. If this happens on the blood vessel on your brain, you will then get a brain stroke. The worst one is if you have high blood pressure and the fat block the bloodstream on your heart, then you can get a fatal heart strike that can lead you to death.
Is that true?
There is no use if we tell the fake stories, Linda.
I think you are right. I have to start to go with a healthy lifestyle.
I think it's enough. I hope this video can useful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And see you on my next video. Bye bye.